Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the products area inside our Sellvia dashboard. This is the section where all product-related actions happen, from reviewing what's already in the store to adding new physical, digital, brand, or printed items. Let's open the Products tab now and walk through what's available step by step. We'll start with the Add Products section. This section contains all available physical product packages. Here you'll find collections such as weekly selections, niche-focused packs, seasonal items, and themed product groups. This is great for just browsing through and seeing what packs are available and looking for new products for your store. To keep everything organized, the page is divided into three main areas. The first area highlights recommended selections. These usually include newly released packs, trending collections, and products marked with labels like new, hot, or recommended. These are meant to surface items that are currently in the spotlight. The next area is focused on niche-based product packages. So if your store is focused on a specific niche, this is the area for you. There includes a wide range of categories like pets, kids, home, sports, beauty, and much more. There are also more specific themes, including collections built around interests such as astrology or tarot, which helps stores with a very defined focus. The final area includes more product packages that don't belong to a single niche. For example, you might find impulse-style collections or products people are actively searching for online, and even packs built around strong customer ratings and reviews. Together, these groups make it easy to browse and choose products based on different strategies. Next is digital products. Like the name implies, this is the area dedicated to all of the digital products. These are items that are delivered instantly after purchase, such as planners, guides, templates, bundles, and other downloadable content. These types of products are grouped into four categories: recommended selections, everyday AI skills, health and beauty, and then success in life. If we look at the first one, recommended selections, this is going to highlight newer and more popular packs. Everyday AI skills includes practical AI-focused collections designed to help with everyday tasks, planning, and skill development using AI tools. Health and beauty is going to cover routines, planners, and self-care content. Lastly, success in life will focus on productivity, learning, and overall lifestyle improvement. Since these products don't require shipping, they're often used to expand a store without adding any logistical steps. Moving on, let's take a look at popular brands. Here, you'll see product packs built around well-known brand categories that customers already recognize and trust. Familiar product types that often help increase their buyer confidence, especially in lifestyle or everyday use stores. The packs here are organized into recommended selections, tech accessories such as small gadgets or electronics, and fashion-related items, including accessories and apparel. This area is commonly used when a store focuses on recognizable styles or product categories. Next, let's look at printed products. This is one of the more interactive parts of the products section. Here, it's possible to choose a base product like apparel, mugs, or stationery, and then apply your own print design. You can preview different combinations before adding the final version to your store. Once selected, the product can be added with a single click, while printing and shipping are handled automatically. This makes it really easy to offer custom style items without managing production manually. Finally, let's open the Your Products area. This section shows what's already active in your store. At the top, there's a quick summary with the total number of products, the current price range, and the date of the last update. Remember, you want to keep your products in your store updated constantly to keep things fresh. Below that, there's a list of product packages that have already been added. By clicking on View Report, it's possible to see all included products along with direct links to their product pages. This area works as your general overview, a simple way to review what's currently part of the catalog. That's my complete walkthrough of the product section in our Sellvia dashboard. This area brings together product discovery, customization, and catalog management in one place. In the next video, we'll continue reviewing the other sections of the platform to show how everything connects across the dashboard.